Hey my beautiful ladies, you are welcome back again to BJ's Airwave CB, your number one channel of choice when it comes to black women hairstyles. Discover the beauty of stitch braids, a trending and protective hairstyle, perfect for any occasion. In this video, we will show you step by step how stitch braids are done, from clean parting to precise fitting techniques. Whether you are looking for a fresh look or a long-lasting protective style, stitch braids are the perfect choice. Stitch braids cornrows are so beautiful. If you are looking for a different hairstyle from your casual box braids, crochets, weaves, and wigs, these stitch braids cornrows will leave you feeling satisfied. It is a hairstyle that will curl the people around you, turning heads and complimenting you all day long. These hairstyles can take as little as an hour depending on the hairstyle you go for, and when it's time to take it down, you won't need to ask for help. For some ideas on stitch braids or hairstyles to try, here are some beautiful styles to try. One, we have X design stitch braids. Two, we have coily head stitch braids. We have simple straight back stitch braids. We also have stitch braids with hair chopstick, flowing stitch braids, half stitch braids, uneven part stitch braids with colored ends, multiple pastel stitch braids, mid-size stitch braids, coily end stitch braids, side bun stitch braids, knee length stitch braids, pink stitch braids, burgundy stitch braids, subtle color stitch braids, multi-size straight back stitch braids, and so on. Just pick your favorite style for your next salon visit. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylists with great minds who come up with all these fantastic hairstyles and give us the opportunity to showcase the style to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trendy hairstyles video. Enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.